Okay guys, the videos that you're about to see is review for the hair system that I'm wearing. It's the Helios hair system. It's a Swiss lace system. It's really nice. There's not been a lot of shedding or anything with it. I really like it. So the video that you're gonna see is me cutting it down. It come a little bit too big for me, so you can customize it. I suggest doing a really sharp blade, which you'll see in the video. And then there's also another video of me applying the tape to it as well. I created a ring and then I created a line down the middle so that it would have some, wouldn't pull up here and is really secure. So this is after I put the toupee on. It's very natural. I pre-cut it before I put it on. You can see the hairline looks really good. It's a 1B with 30% white hair in it. As you can see there, it matches my sides. I really like the blend. It keeps it natural looking. But this is about a week and a half and I use tape for the front of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off because it's starting to lift on me, and then just clean that. And I found that tape with these Swiss lace systems work really well because the tape just comes right off and then you're not having to deal with the adhesive stuck into the mesh. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken off and start cleaning it up. As you can see, it's lifting right off because of how long that it's been. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off, get it cleaned up, and then I'll show you a little update. Okay guys, so I took my hair off, cleaned it, retaped it, put it back on. As you can see, the hairline is much better, undetectable now. It just gets a little buildup after a few days. So you have to redo it. And that's the only thing, especially if you're gonna wear your hair back, you have to keep that hairline clean. It looks good, I'm happy.